Hello students, I Dr. Dhanambir Kumar Sinha with new topic, and today topic is amniocentesis. Today is the last class of this lesson, means lesson number 4, reproductive health. Amniocentesis is a prenatal detection method of prenatal detection in which different genetic disorders, defects in birth are detected before the childbirth. You know, embryo develops in uterus, and in uterus embryo is covered by a membrane called chorion, and chorion forms chorionic villi. Chorionic villi forms fetal placenta that is attached with mother's body, and inside the chorion amnion is present. Amnion bounds amniotic cavity that is filled with amniotic fluid. Okay. In this method, means in amniocentesis method, amniotic fluid is used to detect the different types of disorders, genetic disorders or defect in births, such as this is embryo, chorion forms chorionic villi, this like. Okay, suppose that this is amniotic fluid. In this technique, in earlier stage, approximately in 14 or 15 weeks of gestation period, in which some structures such as skin, legs, placenta are start to develop. Okay, so in this stage, little amount of amniotic fluid is released out, taken out with the help of syringe. In amniotic fluid, some cells of embryo are also present, and on the basis of genetic constitutes of cell present in amniotic fluid, defects or disorders are detected. Okay, so in amniocentesis it is prenatal detective methods in which different types of disorders, defects are detected in early stage, and time interval for amniocentesis is 14 to 15 weeks. time interval 14 to 15 weeks. In this stage, generally amniocentesis method is used. Okay, in this method a small amount of amniotic fluid is taken with the help of syringe and cell present in amniotic fluid is used in detection of the genetic constituents of cell present in amniotic fluid is similar to embryo. ओके, सेल का जो कंपोजिशन होगा, कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स होगा, वही एम्ब्रायो में होगा, क्योंकि एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड का सेल या एमनियन का फॉर्मेशन जायगोट से ही हुआ है, जो कि एम्ब्रायो का पार्ट माना जाता है, या उसी जायगोट से एम्ब्रायो का भी डेवलपमेंट हुआ है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, सेल present in amniotic fluid is used in detection of disorders. ठीक है, लेकिन in modern time nowadays amniocentesis method is banned, statutory banned by government, because it is not only used in detection of genetic disorders, it is mainly used in detection of sex of the embryo, sex of the child, and after that, if embryo is female, then that is killed in embryonic stage, also called female feticide. So due to detection of sex and female feticides, it is statutorily banned by government. Due to detection of sex of embryo and detection of sex of embryo and female feticides, it is a statutory banned by governments. Okay, and one more method is detect to disorders in embryonic stage is CVS. CVS full form chorionic villus sampling. Full form chorionic villus sampling. It is also a method to detect the different disorders or genetic combination of embryo in early stage. It means it is also prenatal detective method, and it is used earlier than the amniocentesis. यह एमनियोसेंटेसिस के भी पहले हो सकता है। जैसा कि मैं बताया कि एमनियोसेंटेसिस के लिए टाइम पीरियड है 14 to 15 weeks, but CVS chorionic villus sampling may be done before 10 weeks. May be done before 10 weeks. Before 10 weeks. In this method, chorionic villus cell, the chorionic villi, cell of chorionic villi is used in this method. Okay, so in this method, cells of chorionic villi are used to detect the disorders. It is done earlier than the amniocentesis, but has high risk than the amniocentesis. उससे पहले तो किया जा सकता है, लेकिन इसमें रिस्क ज्यादा है, because it is done in early stage of pregnancy, so there is a more risk to infection in embryo. Okay. Having more risk than amniocentesis, because it is done in earlier stage of pregnancy. Earlier stage of pregnancy, प्रेगनेंसी के अर्ली स्टेज में किया जाता है, इसीलिए यह उसके कंपेरिजन में ज्यादा डेंजरस है। रीजन क्या? इट मे बी काउज इन्फेक्शन। ओके, एंड ड्यू टू potential risk the 10-week is generally recommended by government for these methods. ओके, तो ये था प्रीनेटल डिटेक्शन ऑफ डिजॉर्डर्स इन एम्ब्रायो। ओके, और इस तरह से ये लेसन आपका समाप्त हुआ।